I dyed this hair yesterday. Oh, yeah. I dyed this hair yesterday. And I wanted to do I think this is 18. I could be wrong. It's either 18 or 16, but I'm pretty sure it's 18 inches. It was pure black. I dyed it. I did a trick on that. I'll show you later. But I decided to do a ponytail out of this. And you know what I was thinking is like, how this gonna work? I'm gonna have to like bring my hair down, put glue. I don't like all that glue. I don't like all that type stuff. So what I ended up doing is finding a whole different way. Well, I didn't find it. I really just did it because I was bored. So I ain't got no makeup on either. My face just closed. No filter. Anyway, so this is my ponytail right here currently. You know, and you can either leave your ponytail out like this, or you can braid it down. You know, if you braid it down, just wrap it in a little ball and wrap it around. And I think that's what I'm gonna do, is braid it down. So you're going to take your hair, ignore the dead skin on my lips, but anywho, you're gonna take the braid and you're gonna wrap it around in a little bun. My mother told me to do it this way. I personally was like, I don't want to put no bobby pins in my hair. Just didn't want to do all that extra. So, did that, right? I'm going to take another hair bow. We got about 3 of these. You're going to need some hair bows, so make sure you got some. You're going to take another hair bow, okay? And you're going to take and wrap it around twice to secure it on there, okay? You're going to make sure you can find that bow when you're ready. If you got to, just set it on the top of your braid so you know where it's at. Take your hair, okay? I actually dyed this to my exact hair color. It don't look like it right now, but like when I put it down, you'll see. But yeah, I took my weave. I actually double wept it because I wanted to make sure it was thick. Take a piece of it and twist it down or braid it down however you need to, just so you can have it sectioned off. And this piece right here, if you want, y'all, you can like stitch it just so it can be together, but it's still connected. You're gonna take this piece and put it through that hair bow. Okay, you're gonna pull it until you make sure you can feel the whole web through your hair. This may be a 2-parter. Sorry, was not thinking it was gonna be that long, but I'm gonna just show you how it's in my hair right now. So you can kind of see, like, it's sectioned in between the hair bow. Check out this. Alright, so we back. So, now that we have this piece sectioned like that, we're going to try to make sure that we have that hair bow tucked down and around the braid itself. You're going to want to bring your track hair all the way up over the little knot right here, okay? So, take it, kind of tuck it if you can, but bring it up and tuck it down and start wrapping. I'm gonna do that. I'll fast forward through it, but I'm gonna pull this piece and put it in my mouth so that I can, you know, control it. And as you're wrapping, try to pull as tight as you can on the weave itself so it secures itself in place. So that way you won't have to add like 2 or 3 hair bows. But you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Okay, so now that we have got it all the way around, this piece is the last little piece. I'm going to take this last piece right here, kind of move the hair out of the way, take this last little piece and wrap it at the top of the hair, okay? Just to secure where everything is wrapped around. And once again, you can use got to be spray, but I'm not using no clips, no ponytails, none of that. So you're just wrapping it. And once you feel like it's securely in place, you see that? Y'all see that? Okay. This is human, so yeah. You're going to untangle the piece that you braided, and you're going to take this piece and you're going to wrap it all the way around. Okay? You can brush it down. I flat ironed it beforehand, but I don't really care. So, trying to keep my hair down. Fine. I'm looking for the 2 wept pieces right here, and I'm going to pull them back the other way. This is going to be a 3-parter. I'm sorry. So check out part 3. So now I'm going to come underhand with this piece or whatever and tuck the wept up and then start to wrap the hair. So I'm pulling from this side, kind of combing it out a little bit so you know it makes sense when it's wrapping down. Oops. Kind of tangled it up. Anyway. Now this piece, like I said, you can add a little got to be, and that's exactly what I'm about to do because I'm going to go to sleep with this in my head. Take your got to be, spray on it a little bit, pull your ponytail up, grab the piece that you're wrapping, and go boom. One time around. You can spray it again if you like, but this part right here, of course, you know, is to cover anything that you have hanging out. And go one more time underneath, around. And then you only got one little section left to do, okay? And all this requires is you to tuck it, okay? All you're gonna do is tuck it. Now, if you want, you can add another hair bow. Personally, it's up to you. But as I wrapped that last little piece around, I was going with my nail and tucking around it. And just like that, I have a full ponytail with nothing else added to it. So to show you how it looks in the back, just like that. You don't see the hair tie at all, and you see it matches my color. I'm very proud of how I did that because when I figured out my color without you, because I dyed my hair with box dye. I used bleach for my human hair though, and I gotta go. If y'all want a story time on that, I'll tell you. But now you're good to go. Like, baby, you got a full length ponytail. Let me show you one more time. One more time. That's it from the side. Look like you just pulled it back and wrapped a piece of hair over it, and you still got your space and everything. Go up close, and then